This is Red Team, and today I'd like to talk to you about strategic alignment model. To begin with, business IT alignment is a dynamic state in which a business organization is able to use information technology effectively to achieve business objectives. What is the strategic alignment model? It is a framework for achieving alignment of IT with a defined business strategy, for positioning and directing strategic role and management of IT, and for leveraging IT on a continuous basis to achieve sustainable competitive advantage. The strategic alignment model is made up of 4 domains, 2 internal and 2 external. The external domains are strategy domains based upon business strategy and IT strategy. Internal domains are infrastructure domains based on business infrastructure and IT infrastructure. Strategy domains such as the business strategy are the driver of choices, business scope, competitiveness, and governance. In the IT strategy, it must support business strategy, includes technological scope, systematic competencies, and IT governance. In speaking about the business strategy, it can be seen as a driver of both organization design choices and the logic of IT infrastructure. The IT strategy must support the chosen business strategy while corresponding with the underlying infrastructure and processes.
Now we will be discussing the internal domains, also known as infrastructure domains. In the business infrastructure, the first item I will be discussing are the key processes. Basically, what are the skills needed to accomplish the task? They are broken down into the following. Administrative structure. This refers to how the organization runs its business. The business processes. The processes needed to run the business. And lastly, the human resource skills. And the last portion of the infrastructure domain is the IT infrastructure domain. This consists of the architecture. This refers to the technological priorities, the software that is needed to run the business. The processes, where it's active on. And the skills, this lastly refers to the skills needed to maintain the system.
An example of a successful IT strategy alignment business would be the United Services Automobile Association in San Antonio, Texas. According to their CEO, Robert Harris, technology forces us to think about how and where our processes intersect. Alignment across business is critical for us because our goal is to exploit the efficiencies of centralized information management while we decentralize service delivery. Alignment is a dynamic, complex process that takes time to develop and even more effort to sustain. However, if a company is able to achieve the alignment between business and IT, they will be able to have a competitive advantage that will provide them with increased visibility, efficiency, and profitability to compete in today's changing markets. As IT plays an increasing role in defining corporate strategies, its correct application will facilitate a more competitive and profitable organization. Vice versa, the careful assessment of a firm's alignment is important to ensure IT is being used to appropriately enable or drive the business strategy. In conclusion, alignment can only be successful if it comes from both the business side and the IT side.